Hello everyone. Let us talk about the functional groups and naming of organic compounds. Let us start with a 3-carbon alkane, propane. This does not have a functional group. Now let us see how the name of the compound changes as a functional group is introduced into the structure. So the next structure is still a 3-carbon compound, but it contains a CC double bond. CC double bond. This is known as the alkene group. This time we will name the compound propene, ene because of alkene. Next is the presence of CC triple bond. This is known as the alkyne group. So the name of this compound becomes propyne from alkyne, ine, and prop from propane. Now, what is the functional group here? It's a halogen, and in particular, chlorine. There are two positions. If the chlorine is attached to the terminal carbon, you call it 1-chloropropane. If the chlorine is attached to the middle carbon, you call it 2-chloropropane. So what is the functional group here? It's an OH group, so it is an alcohol. Again, two positions are possible, terminal or in the middle. So if the OH group is in the terminal carbon, you call it 1-propanol because it is an alcohol. If the OH group is in the middle carbon, you call it 2-propanol because it is an alcohol. All for alcohol. Now, okay, so what is the functional group here? This group, or you call this the aldehyde group. Since it is an aldehyde group, it is named propanal for aldehyde. This one, the functional group here is a C double bond O, pero wala siyang kasamang hydrogen katulad nito. So the carbonyl carbon is not bonded to a hydrogen. Instead, it is bonded to R groups. So this is a ketone. So since this is a ketone, you call this propanone. Okay, next, what is the functional group here? Is this, a COOH or the carboxylic acid. Now, since this is a 3-carbon system, the name is still derived from propane. This is called propanoic. Propanoic, since it is a carboxylic acid, oic acid. Ito naman, the functional group here is this. The C double bond O and H2, an amide group. And since this is a 3-carbon amide, you call it propanamide. Okay, so this is the structures. These are the structures given in the exercise. 2-carbon system. The functional group is COOH. So this will be derived from ethane. The naming will be derived from ethane. You call this ethanoic acid. The common name for this is acetic acid. The next structure, ano ang functional group dito? Ang functional group dito ay idodrawing ko. Eto. C double bond O, and this O here is bonded to an R group. Okay. This is an ester. Ang ester is produced when you have a carboxylic acid reacting with an alcohol. Okay, so if we analyze the structure, itong part na to is derived from the carboxylic acid at itong part na to is derived from the alcohol. So if we examine this carboxylic acid, a 2-carbon carboxylic acid parang ito. So kung ito ay tinatawag na ethanoic acid, ito is ethanoate. Ethanoate. At ito is a 2-carbon alcohol. Anong pangalan nito? Ethyl alcohol. So, since this is an ester, this is named ethyl from ethyl alcohol, ethanoate from the carboxylic acid. Ethyl ethanoate. Next, structure. Yung functional group dito is this, COC. COC, an ether. Now, for ether, we need to mention ang mga R groups that are bonded to the oxygen. This is one R group and the other is the other R group. Anong R group ito? Dalawang carbon. Kaya 2-carbon R group. So, this will be derived from, its name will be derived from ethane. And since this is an R group, you call this ethyl. The ethyl groups. Okay. Since dalawang ethyl yan, ito isa at ito isang ethyl. Okay. So you call it diethyl ether. Next. Okay. Ano ito? An alcohol, OH group, tapos ilang carbon? 4 carbons. So its name will be derived from butane. Okay. The position of the OH group is in carbon number 2. So you call this 2-butanol. Dito naman, this is still position number 2, 1, because this will be 1, 2. Okay, so the position of bromine here is in carbon number 2. You call this 2-bromobutane. This is the end of the presentation.